Welcome to the Tech Yorker Guides channel. In this video, we will discuss when or why the right click is not working on your Windows 11 PC. First of all, we will start with disabling the tablet mode. In this mode, your mouse will not work. So first, disable this if you have accidentally enabled it. After that, remove all the third-party mouse control apps that you use to configure your mouse buttons or do other things with your mouse. Uninstall them and then you need to restart the Windows Explorer process. Just open the Task Manager and then find the Windows Explorer process in the list. You can use the search button or just scroll down till you find it and right click on it. Choose the restart option and then your screen will start flickering for a few seconds. Everything will go blank, but don't worry because it is in the restart phase. All your open apps won't close. We'll wait for the taskbar to load up and then we will move to the next step. If your touchpad or mouse drivers are outdated or not compatible with this version of Windows, then you need to update them. The easiest way to do this is using the device manager. Just right click on the start button and select the device manager option. Find the mouse and other pointing device section and right click on it and update your mouse drivers. If you are on a touchpad, then update the touchpad drivers using this tool, or you can download the latest drivers from the touchpad or laptop manufacturer's window. If updating the drivers doesn't solve the issue, the next thing that you can do is change a system policy which might have been accidentally enabled on your system. This step will only work for Windows Pro and education users because Group Policy app is exclusive to these editions of Windows. Just open the Group Policy editor and then click on the Administrative Templates option. Then click on Windows Components, scroll down and then click on the File Explorer option. Now you need to locate the option that disables the right click context menu in the File Explorer. Scroll down and then click on the Remove File Explorer's default context menu policy. If it is set to enabled or disabled, you need to set it to not configured option. Just set it to not configured and click on the apply button and then click on the OK button. You need to restart your PC in order for the changes to take effect. If you don't have Windows Pro, then you need to modify the system registry. It is a tad bit difficult, but first you need to navigate to this registry key on your computer. Now there will be a no view context menu registry value in it. If it doesn't exist, you must create it first, and after creating it, just double click on it and set its value data to 0. 0 means that the right click menu is enabled on your PC. Right click and restart your PC for the changes to take effect. That's all for this video. Do like and subscribe to the Tech Yorker Guides channel and share this video with others. You can also check out the detailed version on our website